Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. I'm up and actually dressed. I just got back from Toodles Barbershop in Marysville. Okay, I'm trying to get through this. Two things. While I was at Toodles, I asked what is the drop dead date to order a prime rib from them, and it's Friday the 15th of December by close of day. So if you want a prime rib from Toodles, 15 December by close of day. Okay? I met the family, great people, great shop. I'll post some pictures later. There's the prime rib. This is the recipe. This is the prime rib, which I'm actually going to do. I'm going to do my best to stand at my feet and do the video so you have it for Christmas. So just bear with me. Tonight, because Robin is away on business, she's back in Oakland. I'm going to be cooking for myself, which will be plenty of leftovers for Robin to take to work tomorrow. First, I want to commend Robin for the wonderful job she did cooking last night. And I prepped. It was a tag team thing. We did my version of orange chicken. Excellent. We both went repeat. This is going to repeat. It was really, really good. That recipe went up this morning before I went to Toodles. So enjoy it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'll help you out. All right, let's see what I got for tonight. I'm keeping this very basic and simple. This is stew meat from Toodles. This is probably the best stew meat I have seen, I think, ever. It's really excellent. As you can see, it's frosted over, so I got to defrost it for tonight. No cutting. At least I don't think so. I shouldn't have to. Basically, I'm going to be adding some frozen peas, frozen carrots, frozen corn, garlic, of course. The only thing I'm cutting out of everything here is this onion. That'll take me about 30 seconds. It's already halfway there. Beef stock, olive oil, salt, pepper, a little bit of soy sauce, some cornstarch for thickener. I'm using up this baby spinach. As you know, when you cook spinach, it wilts down to practically nothing. So we're going to have some coriander, some cumin, some Mexican sweet basil, and some Mexican oregano are the herbs and spices of choice. So basically, I'm kind of making a shepherd's pie kind of whatever. It's a kitchen sink type thing. It's whatever coming out of the freezer, obviously, and whatever I just added fresh protein. I'm going to go for it. I'm going to serve it over Lazy Man mashed potatoes. This is kind of where the shepherd's pie comes in, but it's in reverse order. Oh, the one thing I forgot, I'm probably going to top this off with a little bit of the leftover shredded cheddar cheese from the Cincinnati chili, which I still have not eaten. Just chili right now just doesn't sound good to me. That's why I'm trying to keep this dish kind of bland. The last night's dinner set really well. Oh, I was hungry. That was the first day I've been hungry in about 3 or 4 days. So that's kind of what I'm doing. And like I said, I'm trying to make leftovers for Robin to take to work tomorrow after I'm done eating it, because she won't be home till mid-evening, so she's going to miss dinner. So stay away from this flu. Everybody I've heard who's had it, it's nasty. Stay away from it as much as you can. Where I got it, I have no idea. I'm blaming somebody, but I don't know who yet. So enjoy your day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.